Well, thank you for being here on our campus. This is the campus of Canada Christian College and School of Graduate Theological Studies. And this is an open house, and I hope you feel at home tonight. I hope Cambridge International Academy feels at home as they train young men and young boys and girls to be great men and women in this country and around the world. The college is 57 years old. It offers 14 degrees, including 4 doctorates in the field of theology, psychology and counseling, music, and education. And we have operated for many years downtown in Toronto, but in 2018, we felt the call to come out to the beautiful shores of Whitby and to come out here to this beautiful beach, to this beautiful harbor, and to build this campus. It's a $43 million project. I have been with the college for 40 years. I know, Lauren, I don't look that old, but I am here because I believe in excellence in education. Now, this is not a buzz phrase. I believe that private education should have the best and be the very best. So when we went to build this campus, we did so and we did so with the idea of creating the best. So even on this platform, we spent $2 million on just the sound and lights for you, the students, to learn, because if you're going to be the best, you need to learn on the best equipment. In the sport facility that you're going to tour in a few minutes, you're going to see 2 basketball courts. Now, you can build the basketball court by putting hardwood on cement, but the ball doesn't bounce it the way it does in college or the way it does in the NBA. If you're going to be the best, you need to train on the best. So we put very expensive floating NBA level floors on these courts. We put in an MLS level soccer pitch. This is actually the same turf that Montreal Impact uses. We then bought 44 of the most expensive weight training machines so you can build your body and you can build your endurance. By the way, Lauren, these are machines that I never go near, and that's quite obvious. But we believe in excellence, and we welcome you to this home. And today, our children face things that we never even dreamt of. And your children deserve the very, very best, because we are committed, you are committed, Lynn is committed to giving you and your children the very best. The very best home possible, the very best location right here on the beach. When you look out the windows of the classrooms, you can see the beauty of this location, your new home. But most importantly, committed to taking care of your children and beholden to no one. We built this facility without a single dollar from any other entity or any government. So the only ones we're beholden to are the students and the parents. So we are very happy to welcome Cambridge International Community to our campus. And we are looking forward to a great partnership to offer the very, very best that is possible for many young, aspiring leaders in this country and countries around the world. So I am very happy to introduce to you and thank our wonderful leader at this academy, Lynn. God bless you. Thank you for having me here. I want you to feel at home as you go through the tour, and want you to feel at home that this is your campus, this is your home, this is your open house tonight. God bless you.